Hello again and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthy nails. So I'm jumping right in today. I've cleaned off the old nail polish design and I'm gonna start off with wiping my nails down with some alcohol to remove excess oils. I'm thinking about replacing alcohol with something else someday since I know it's really drying, but I'm not sure with what though. Okay, so as I apply the base coat, I'll fill you in on how I chose this week's design. So I found out about this technique of transferring words from a newspaper onto nails a while ago. And I tried it myself like in early 2020 or so, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd try it again. Here's how it looked when I last did this style. Indeed, those are rings that you see in the background. So this was around the time my husband and I were doing some research on engagement rings so we could figure out my size and the style that I like. This one was my favorite. If you are wondering if ring shopping together ruined the surprise, no, it did not. By this point in our relationship, I had already told him multiple times that he was mine and wasn't going anywhere. So really, it was just a matter of when, not if, he would pop the question. Plus, it was months later before he proposed. I really liked the neutral color that I used last time to get this look, but I want to see how it looks with a different color. So I'm going in with the polish by Micho Beauty called Unbroken. I feel like it's still a pretty neutral color, but darker than the last one, so hopefully it looks as good. Fingers crossed. So I'm seeing how much my nails have grown from 2 weeks ago, and I must say I'm happy with how much they've grown. Just like before, I was doing my best to be intentional about moisturizing and oiling my nails and hands, as well as keeping them away from, excessive amounts of water. And I feel as though it's paying off. But just like I've experienced with my hair growth, like I've learned that length is not always equal to health. So I've noticed, and I'm sure you see it too in the video, how some of my nails have grown longer while others haven't. So for hair growth, I know that your diet, exercise, and water intake can affect the health of your hair. And knowing that both our hair and nails have similar properties in their build, I figured I could make an educated guess and assume that some of those things can affect my nails' health as well. But I'm definitely gonna have to do more research to figure out if that's true or not. I finished applying the 2 coats of the Unbroken nail polish color and it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna start this newspaper design process. I already cut up some pieces out of a newspaper and I placed it in some alcohol. The paper has been sitting in the alcohol for maybe around 2 minutes now, so I'm just gonna take one out and press it into my nails for a few seconds before removing it. I do this a few times on each nail till I see the amount of words that I want on the nail. I'm starting to think they're making these newspapers a little differently these days compared to 2020. I don't know. I feel like it was way easier for the words to transfer from the paper to my nails last time I did this. I don't know. Maybe the lighter neutral color was better. decided to finish this off with a matte top coat because I'm obsessed with matte. Would I call this a success? I'm not sure if I would say yes, but at least my nails have a layer of protection for this week. And here's the subpar footage of the final results of how the style came out. If you're having a hard time seeing the words on the nails, don't worry. So am I. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more content. I'll be back next Wednesday. So it looks like my nails had a rough time last night. I must have been fighting in my dreams. Hopefully next week goes better.